Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're heading into the final stretch of 2025, and all eyes are on Europe's central banks as they prepare for their last meetings of the year. So what can we expect? The big headline is, don't hold your breath for any dramatic moves just yet. 3 major central banks are expected to hold, while one might just make a cut. Let's start with the big one, the European Central Bank, or ECB. The consensus is pretty clear here. They're almost certain to keep interest rates on hold. Why? Well, the recent economic data just doesn't give them a strong reason to change course. Inflation is still a concern, but the economy isn't exactly booming either. It's a classic case of being stuck between a rock and a hard place. But here's where it gets really interesting. While the rate decision itself might be a bit of a snoozer, the real drama is happening behind the scenes. We're seeing what looks like growing tension within the ECB's own governing council. It's like watching a financial thriller unfold. On one side, you have members like the influential Isabel Schnabel. She's been openly siding with the market's view, suggesting that the next move for the ECB will have to be a rate hike to tackle persistent inflation. She's essentially saying, the fight isn't over, and we need to be ready to tighten the screws again. Then, on the other side of the table, you have another camp. These members believe there's still room to ease policy, maybe even cut rates down the line if the economy starts to falter. They're worried that keeping rates too high for too long could choke off growth. So, we have this internal split, the hawks who want to hike and the doves who are thinking about cutting. This division is what everyone will be watching for during the press conference. Investors and analysts will be dissecting every single word from President Christine Lagarde. They'll be looking for any hints, any subtle changes in language that might signal which side is winning the argument. Will her commentary lean more towards Schnabel's hawkish stance? Or will she give a nod to the more dovish members? The answer could set the tone for the markets heading into the new year. It's not just about the decision itself, but the story it tells about the future of European monetary policy. So, while the final call of 2025 for the ECB might be to hold, the real action is in the debate raging within its walls. What do you think? Which side will win out in 2026? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.